Are you ready to purchase your new home? D.R. Horton at Three Oaks may be offering the perfect opportunity for you. This neighborhood is located on the southeast corner of Sherman, surrounded by new construction because this is D.R. Horton's second phase in this neighborhood. They are offering single-story floor plans ranging from 1,200 to about 1,500 square feet, and today we're going to talk about all that D.R. Horton has to offer at Three Oaks. I'm Amanda Phillips, a local realtor and your connection to new construction in the Sherman community. So D.R. Horton has built a couple of communities in Sherman, and Three Oaks Phase 2 has just begun. So I wanted to walk y'all through this today and show you some of the options that they are offering, talk about pricing, the location, some amenities, things like that. Single-story floor plans are all that are being offered in Phase 2, but this model is a two-story. So we will focus on what's in the house more so than the actual floor plan. D.R. Horton is offering 3 single-story floor plans in Three Oaks, ranging from about 1,200 square feet up to a little over 1,500 square feet. There is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath option, and the other 2 are 3-bedroom, 2-bath options. D.R. Horton builds a very strong home. It is safe, it is well built, and it is affordable. These homes are under $300,000. Currently, Sherman's average sales price is right at $300,000. So to be able to get into a new construction home for less than the average sales price in town is a super exciting opportunity for anyone that may be leaving out of a rental situation, going into their first home. It's exciting to offer a brand new home to move into. These homes start at around $275,000 and go up to just under $300,000 at $297,000, depending on which floor plan you offer. D.R. Horton does offer a nice range of colors that you can choose from. We've walked through the kitchen. You can see there's ample cabinetry in there. You do get solid surface countertops with these floor plans. You have vinyl flooring, tons of windows that allow natural light to come in. There is a blind package that you can purchase through D.R. Horton. I can connect you to the sales representative currently in the neighborhood, and they will let us know any incentives that they're currently offering or any extra packages that you can add on to the pricing. But even though it's under $300,000, you're still getting a new home, and you can see it is still a quality home. You have recessed lighting in the ceilings, orange peel texture on the walls. It is a nice neutral color that once you move in, if you wanted to paint your own accent wall, add wallpaper, just put your personal touches on it, that is definitely something that you can do. And if you are thinking of customizing it after you close, you do get to pick your floor coloring and your cabinet color as well. The microwave and drop-in range are part of the appliance package, and sometimes they are offering an even better appliance package where the refrigerator is included. You can see as we walk back towards the front door, again, this is a model. It is a 2-story model, and we're only building single stories in the neighborhood, but I still want you to see the finishes that D.R. Horton offers. The nice 2-panel doors, that brushed nickel finish. You can have carpet in the bedrooms and the living room if you choose, or you can do the vinyl flooring throughout. You can see that the molding is nice and a pretty finish out. I just love how, for a first-time home buyer, this is a blank canvas. Everything is brand new in it. There are warranties that come from the builder to cover things. You can't ask for a better situation for someone to get into their very first home. This would be your hall bath. So you can see it is a tub shower combination, solid surface vanity top, solid surface surround in the shower, so an easy clean. It's not a drop-in tub. You have that nice linen area there in the corner. The bedrooms are very standard square. You can choose the vinyl flooring or the carpet. Nice neutral colors. All the bedrooms have windows in them. This neighborhood, again, is on the southeast side of Sherman. School-wise, it is located currently in Dillingham Elementary, feeds into Sherman Middle School, and then into Sherman High School. If you are interested in more information on the school districts, there will be a link in this description, or feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to talk about the Sherman School District with you. Each bedroom has a nice sized closet with a hang bar in it. Again, a look at those 2-panel doors, which just give it a little bit fancier feel. It's not your basic home, but again, excited about the pricing with D.R. Horton. They are building in about a 4-month time frame, so excited again that you don't have to wait a super long time. Once you go under contract, they'll start the pour, get the framing going. You can pick a couple of the customizations to the house, and if you want to have stone on the outside, that's an option as well. And then they will get to work. I love working with D.R. Horton because the sales reps do a great job communicating with me and my clients to keep us up to date every week as far as where they are on the build process. They're great at communicating, easy to work with. And again, if you are interested in the D.R. Horton product at Three Oaks, or if you want to get on our mailing list for current incentives offered by all builders in Sherman, message us below. Quick peek into this closet. Again, just like the other one that we were in, these bars go actually back along the wall, so you have a little more space than what you can actually see in this doorway, but you have a hang bar, you have the shelf up top, so some extra storage for all the stuff that you're going to want to put in that closet. No, I'm just kidding. You want to get rid of stuff before you move into your brand new home. There are a little over 30 lots available in phase 2. They just opened these lots up about 2 months ago, so they are not sold out yet. This is a look at the laundry room, what it would look like representative in a single story. Again, this is a 2-story model, so the laundry room is upstairs, which I think is really smart, but they're not building 2-story floor plans in phase 2 of Three Oaks. Only the single story. Again, 3-bedroom, 2-bath in 2 of the options, 2-bedroom, 2-bath in the smallest option, and they start in the 270s and go up to the 290s. Super desirable price range for the Sherman, Texas area. And if you're moving into the area and looking for that affordability factor, Three Oaks by D.R. Horton may be the perfect option for you. This is the primary bedroom. You can see it is large, plenty of space for a king-size bed. There's an extra window in here. We're going to go in and see the primary bathroom, but plenty of space for all of your furniture needed in here. Again, you can choose carpet or vinyl in the primary bedroom. And this spacious primary bath, you have the linen area for your towels. I like the floating shelf look there. You have this large walk-in shower with the solid surround, and the glass door just gives it that nice premium finish. Oversized vanity, plenty of get ready space in the morning with drawers and under sink storage and a large mirror. And then around on the other side of the room, again, see the recessed lighting. This is throughout the home, LED lighting throughout the home, which just gives it that nice extra glow, and a huge walk-in closet. All of this for under $300,000. You just don't get this much quality at an affordable price right now. Everything is getting more expensive, but D.R. Horton's Express options are trying to keep things affordable for that first-time home buyer. You can see there that the thermostat is in the primary bedroom. Again, 2-story model home, 2-story not available in Three Oaks Phase 2. Single stories only, but we like single stories. These homes all have 2 car garages on them as well, with a garage door opener. They are a nice, well done garage. They would be forward facing with a full driveway. And then out back, we will get there in just a minute, but they have privacy fenced backyards, and then a sod option as well. When you drive into Three Oaks, you just feel like home. Every time I'm in this neighborhood with my clients, there are children outside riding their bikes. There are people outside mowing. You see people gathering between their homes. You know, how was your day? Shaking hands. I saw some people cooking out the other day. You would have an option to this gorgeous backyard to have a cookout and invite your neighbors over. See the privacy fenced backyard. This is obviously an edge lot, so that's where those pillars are coming in because it is decorative pillar on the outside. This is also a corner lot, so your side yard is going to be a lot bigger, but this just shows you that you have a substantial size backyard on the single story floor plan. It's going to feel like home. Again, we're in Three Oaks in Southeast Sherman. D.R. Horton is the builder for this home and these floor plans that they're offering, and they're all under $300,000. They are currently offering incentives as far as helping with closing costs or appliance packages. I love to connect my buyers with the sales representatives so that you can get started and have your very own first home in 4 months or less. Let's connect.